welcome back to me, Vasu. I have recently purchased a makeup mixing liquid which is from the brand Inglot, and this is Inglot Duraline makeup mixing liquid. I have seen and read a lot of reviews, and most of the makeup artists also, they were recommending to use this Duraline if we have to mix it with loose pigments and also the eyeshadows and turning them into a liner. So I think this video will help you all with a little bit of idea on how the mixing liquids work. Main purpose of me picking this up is to test it with my eyeshadows and changing them into eyeliners, and also I have a lot of glitters and I thought I'll just even test that as well. Apart from this, Inglot liquid is also helpful to mix if you have a dried eyebrow pomade or your eye gel, dried mascara and all. You can just add 1 or 2 drops of Inglot and then it will melt it and it will be back to life. Currently I don't have a mascara which is dried out, so I can't test that, but definitely I tested it with the creating your own eyeshadow looks, and you can just have the same eyeliner from your eyeshadows, which is a great thing. And this is how I also got this, I don't have that eyeliner shape, but I created it with one of my e.l.f. eyeshadows. So without any delay, let's go into the video and see how I did it. This is only 9 ml bottle and this costed me around $16. And the other one that I purchased is very much unplanned, and I was just getting attracted because of these frequently bought suggestions, and then I purchased this mixing plate as well, especially for even I can see my face in this. This is so clean and spatula where you can remove the eyeshadows, which are pressed eyeshadows, and then you can use it for a mixing purposes and all. So today let's see how well I can use these both and create my eye makeup looks. I wanted to test some of my eyeshadows from e.l.f. and Alloys as well, because these two are my favorite eyeshadow palettes. All you need to do is a little bit of the mixing liquid and scrape the eyeshadow that you want and mix them both. I am showing here just before mixing it, see how light it is, and after mixing it, how dark and pigmented it is looking now when I mixed it with Duraline. So this is the actual difference that it is showing, and this is proven to be true. And now let's apply to my eye as an eyeliner. I'm trying to use my Wet n Wild bent eyeliner brush, and let's see how it works. I am able to see it very clearly, but I'm not sure how it is looking in the camera. I think it's looking a little bit lighter than how it is showing to me in here. So I'll try to capture a picture and then I will add it. For me, it looks awesome. Now let's try another color that can pop up very dark. See how intense and dark it is showing up. Now let's try with the glitters. Mixing the liquid was easy, but while I was applying on my eyelid, it took a couple of more coats and time as well. So this is how it is looking now, and I also wanted to add the glitter glue on this side, add the glitters here, so clearly understand how is the difference. We have the Jelly Cosmetic glitter glue, so I will use the same glue and then we'll see how it makes a difference. I feel adding the glitter on top of the glue is much more easier than with the Inglot. So this is how it is looking. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. So this is with Duraline and this is with the fixing glue. We'll wait for some time and I'll rub it and see if it is coming out how it is with glue and without glue. This is how it's looking after 10 minutes. I used the Inglot Duraline and this side it's a glitter glue. I'm not sure how much difference is there until I open my eyes. So now my target to test is if this is coming up. So let's see. Yes, a little bit. Now let's see the other side. Nothing. as of now I'm very much happy because I'm able to convert my eyeshadows into a perfect eyeliner shades, and also it has been very easy for me while I was mixing the Duraline with the glitters, and then not much of wastage, so both of them are good. But yeah, this is how it looks. Let's test these pigments. I'm so excited. What I'll do is I'll just scrape a little bit of each shade here and then test it. I'll not take much because I really want to have this for a long time. Okay, now I will add all these shades on my hand. I'm so excited and I really wanted to try all of them on my eyes, but today I'm just wanted to make sure that I'm showing you with these shades and how they make a difference. After using this, I felt yes, it is worth. Saw a clear difference of mixing Inglot and how the pigment looks, and I really like that, and I will try to create more and more looks with this. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to me, Vasu. Also, please don't forget to ring the bell icon so that as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification.